Hello, it's Jennifer with Underway Drifting and Dreaming. The Parrots on the Perch, we have them down at the southernmost point, checking out Key West. Most days in Key West is absolutely gorgeous. When our kids were visiting, we took the Parrots down to Key West along with us. And it was a very rainy, chilly, and extremely windy. We had winds up to I think 37 knots. So here we're checking out the inlet at Key West, and there are no cruise ships in today. Usually they have several days of cruise ships visiting. This is Mallory Square. Right before the sunset, there's all the different types of performers and activities going on. Then everybody turns and watches the sunset, and then after the sunset, those activities and performances start back up. We walk around for the day, and we took the Parrots down to the beach. And here you can tell it's a little windy, and this is the southernmost point beach, how the seagrass is up, and the waves are just rolling in. A gray sky. Wow, you guys are kind of intense. What's going on? What are you looking at? I see something pink. What do you see? Oh my, look at that. You at the butterfly house in Key West? Checking out the waterfront brewery today, Key West, and the Parrots are up ahead. They're racing me to the beer. Crazy Lady is a nice blonde ale. Alright, Parrots, let's finish up the night. Some key lime pie, and we'll head on back to the resort. Hey Parrots, you guys had a little bit too much. Alright. So the Parrots on the Perch had too much fun in Key West. They fell off the boatyard. It's just a little bit too windy. So much for Sunshine Paradise, Key West. What is that? One of the Key West roosters? Roosters are protected here along with the chickens in Key West. They are feral. They do not attack. What do you think, chickens? Sorry, Parrots. Whoa, check out those pelicans up there. It's been a great day in Key West today. Hanging out down by the boat. We did Duval Street down to the southernmost point. We're not going to see the sunset. It's been a rainy day. Parrots on the Perch. Alright, it's time to head back to the resort. So we're going to catch the Ocean Edge shuttle and head back to the marina. Let's head on out. What did you guys find in Key West? Ginormous tree. Getting ready for one of our last sunsets down in Key West. Who do we have? Hey Parrots. This is a Coast Guard cutter, Ingram. It's a Secretary class cutter. It's since retired. It's a pretty old one. I believe it's 1934 or 36. But we're gonna go ahead and watch that sunset coming in here soon. Well, the Parrots have decided to stay with us. They've been down in the salon, sitting on the back of the couch, looking out the window, and they want to go ahead and continue on the travels of the Great Loop. Thank you for watching.